it fucking drunk.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I've left you for a while for gaming, but I am now back. So we're going to start off with our next item. I had a feeling that we're never going to get to the end of these shoes, so I got to start pumping out more shows, maybe 2 or 3 a day. So let's get you guys some box action so you can see what this is. This is another Nike by you. This one happens to be a Nike by me, Omar, aka Boss Vegeta. So let's get this out of the box for you guys. In case you guys never bought any custom Nikes by you, see the little paper they give you in the box. A 1 of 1 guaranteed. I take all my stuff, me being the boss, to the next step. Put this lid back up on here for you guys. This shoe is called the King of the Hustlers 973 edition. After I sold my first million shoe, my first million other stuff, we made this shoe. Let me give you guys some spin action. So you get the little custom Deadpool dongle. Marvel stole my likeness and created Deadpool with Rob Liefeld, but it's okay. I keep zombie Deadpool on the left shoe, normal Deadpool on the right. You get that custom at Ozone. This shoe can only be got from the Ozone. You got some more 360 action. Let me adjust my camera a bit. There we go. So you guys get top of shoe action. Give another turn. Give you guys a whole another 360. And we'll get on to the next shoe. If you guys are interested in purchasing this shoe, DM me or call the Ozone. We have them in stock. If you come for the 973 and ever called yourself a street person, you have to have this shoe to honor me, the King of the Hustlers of the 973. Get you guys another look at the custom Deadpool dongle. Raise that up, let you see a little Nike. Remember, I started the dongles on the shoe first. Started the dongles on the guns, and Call of Duty stole it from me. We're going to get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, for the next shoe by the box, you should be able to tell what it is. I'll get you a little bit of box action, hope it focuses. This is the last pair of Kyrie 8 or 7, what is it, Kyrie 6s? And this is the Kyrie 6. Let me look at this. It's the Aqua, Black, and Opti Yellow. This is the last pair I need to complete the entire collection of Kyrie 6s. I got to go through my boxes and pull them all out. This is one of my favorites. I had this on sale on Foot Locker, so I just picked it up. I'll get you guys close up of the shoe. Get you a little bit of twist action. So you know, I love that little eye on the back for all the Kyries. I'm officially starting my Kyrie 7 collection. I have some Kyries by you. I also have a couple of the normal Kyrie 7s. Like I said, we're not going to get to the end of any of these shoes, so let me know if you guys want to see them. I'll dig them out especially. Get you guys some bottom action. Because that's one of the best things about the Kyries. Kyrie 6s are some of my favorite. They're just a comfortable shoe. You see good materials. They're going to last. But let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, we're back with the last shoe. By the box you can tell what it is. Let's get you a little bit of this camera action. Just try to make sure it focuses. This shoe is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. White, laser orange, and black. We're doing a lot of Jordan 1s this year. More than even usual. Make sure I get you guys some good footage. A lot of people said they couldn't hit on this shoe. It's a Another one of the Jordan special editions. It's going to be pumping out a lot of them this year. This shoe seems to have suede. This is some type of fabric in the front. It's a cool Jordan 1 mid. I'm going to keep them in the box for a while. Got a pair for staring, a pair for wearing. You're definitely going to want to get the sneaker shield or some type of toe box protector up in here. And I would recommend that you definitely treat this shoe with either ozone tech or get you some rejuvenator or something of some sort. Because like I said, this suede on this shoe, give you guys another look at the suede on the back. It's very, very buttery suede on the yellow. The green suede is nappy, so you're going to try to keep that nap in that one, and the butteriness on the bottom. That's going to be pretty hard to do if you start wearing these shoes regularly. Like I said, the front you're okay. This isn't suede on the front. It's like some type of velvet or some type of nylon material. So that's another reason why I got this shoe, because the front of Jordan 1s go bad. As long as, like I said, you treat it with ozone tech or rejuvenator, you shouldn't have a problem, guys. I'll give you some side action because that's the best part of this shoe. You see the whole silhouette. My cat rips up the interiors. Alright, let me know what shoes you guys want to see. I've been able to hit on every shoe. I'm going to try to find my whatas so I can have those in the video for you guys. But let me know what shoes you want to see. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out the Ozone. And stay tuned. I'm going to have a ton of new stuff coming for you guys. Thanks for watching. Everybody fucking jump!